Hi, I'm Tim Carter, co-founder of Stain Solver, and I want to show you how easy it is to clean green algae from an outdoor patio. It doesn't matter if the patio is made from paver brick, it could be regular brick or concrete, bluestone, doesn't matter. Stain Solver is going to clean it and do a really good job. You don't have to worry if you've got expensive landscaping or very nice plants or even a fish pond next to the patio, because Stain Solver is completely safe around all of those things. Mix 1 cup of Stain Solver with a gallon of warm or hot water. Stir for 1 minute until all of the Stain Solver powder dissolves. Broom off any heavy debris. It's best to apply the Stain Solver solution liberally to dry surfaces so the solution can soak in and deep clean the patio. You can apply it by pouring it on the patio, spray it on with a garden hand pump sprayer, or even spread it with a simple squeegee. Allow the solution to work for 15 minutes. Try to work in the shade and do not let the solution evaporate. Keep the surface wet with the solution the entire time. After waiting 15 minutes, scrub the surface with a stiff scrub brush on a pole, rinse with clear water, and allow to dry. Check it out. Look at the before and after. Isn't it remarkable? I only cleaned a small corner of the patio on purpose because I wanted to show you the difference of how dramatic the change actually is. Remember, it's always best to apply the Stain Solver solution to dry material. You'll get better results, it'll work faster, and it will deep clean your patio. If you've got any questions at all, feel free to go to the FAQ page at stainsolver.com